It sounds like we might be needing some warm hot chocolate in the days to come.
Yep.
Temps are going to be dropping.
Usually with winter systems like this, you can count on the 1-2 punch. First the snow and the cleanup, and then the cold air coming in behind it. So this one's living up to expectations. But I wanted to start out with this. I know we've been talking about and kind of droning about, okay, we're way behind, but I wanted to bring some encouraging news here. This is the snowfall for the month of just February, and I understand we're 8 days in, but take a look at the observed numbers, and then just below it is the normal, and then how far are we ahead or behind. And you can see 4 of the 5 are actually ahead. And we've been talking about this all winter, that as we would get closer to February and roll through that month, that yes, temperatures would be trending. We would see more below average temperatures, but we were also anticipating above average snowfall. So again, just looking for that optimism and looking for the silver lining to the clouds. That's it, is that hopefully we can keep this keep the cycle going and keep adding to that snowfall so we can at least have something of a winter around here, because I understand people probably don't like the snow on the roads and the slipperiness, but we do need the snow. We do need it for the lakes as we get into the spring months. We need it for the plants, the yards, all that stuff. All right, enough of the science lesson. Let's talk weather. Here's a look at the snow depth right now. And good to see that some of that dark blue made its way south yet again. As you go along the I-94 corridor again, that's where you're going to find that number at about 6 inches or better as you work your way north, and still some at least light amount of snowfall across southern areas of Minnesota, looking really good in parts of Michigan. The Arrowhead really making out well. So got to wait for the next round of snow. And that one's showing up in the 7-day forecast right now. We had a little flurry come through here. You probably have a few slick spots out there, but overall roads are looking like they have improved dramatically. And tomorrow with some sunshine, that is really going to help take care of any icy spots out there. Cold air is moving in from the northwest. Here's today's highs. We did see some 20s on the map, but some folks barely made it into the double digits. And we are going to start tapping into this cold Arctic air once again. Here we go. And it's going to be a week-long event. Right now, temperatures, a lot of single digits on there. A few of them are in the negative already. And when you take a look at the wind chills as you step out each morning, the wind chills for the next couple of days are definitely going to get your attention. Double digits below zero most mornings. In fact, Tuesday looking pretty nasty there. So get ready for that. Just know that as you're heading out the door, yeah, you're going to be greeted with some serious wind chills, some very cold temperatures. Tonight, kind of kicking things off with single digits below zero. A few of us around the Twin Cities may hover pretty close to zero. Wouldn't be surprised if a few communities dip down below zero. All in all, it's going to be a cold day, regardless of what the temperature says there. We're all feeling the cold, and tomorrow we'll come out of those single digits. We'll get close to about 20 degrees, but your wind chills probably looking at about 10, maybe a 12-degree wind chill at best for tomorrow. Here's a look at the air temperatures, and you can see a lot of teens and 20s. And those are going to be disappearing, because take a look at your 7-day forecast. There's some single digits there above and below zero for your highs and your lows. We warm up late in the week, but we're going to be watching for some more snow.